Welcome to the first in a series of videos where we'll be looking at Conectric's IoT USB gateway product with Node.js and the suite of sensors that accompany it. The product's core is Conectric's USB mesh network router, which receives messages from a range of sensors. For the software developer wishing to build applications that use this, Conectric provides an easy-to-use Node.js SDK that runs on Windows, macOS and Linux, including the popular Raspberry Pi. Let's take a look at the hardware components of the system. As well as the USB router, the system includes a number of battery-powered sensors, a temperature-humidity sensor, a motion detector, and a door switch sensor. These are all powered by long-life batteries that can last for many years of normal use. For the IoT application developer or systems integrator, Conectric provides a free and open source SDK. This is written in JavaScript and runs on the popular Node.js platform. You can find it on the npm package manager. The SDK includes example code for simple and more complex scenarios, and in this video we'll look at getting up and running with one of these examples in order to obtain data from Conectric's temperature and humidity sensor. To get started, we'll first bring up the terminal and make a new folder for our project. In there, we will then set up a new Node.js project using npm init, accept all the defaults, except for the entry point, where we'll set server.js as our entry point. This creates a standard package.json file. Next, we'll install the Conectric Node SDK from npm. Having installed the SDK from npm, we can now go ahead and copy one of the example server.js files into our project and then start it with the standard npm start command. The example code starts up and then waits for us to insert the Conectric router into a free USB port. When properly connected, the router's LEDs flash and the software detects it and begins to listen for messages from it. In order to receive messages from sensors, we need to insert batteries into them. The sensor will boot up and its LEDs will flash. Here we're using the temperature humidity sensor, but the others work in the same fashion. Conectric's SDK does all the heavy lifting of translating each message into a JSON object, which is passed to a callback in the SDK. In this example, we see a sensor booting and two sensors sending us temperature and humidity information. In the event of the USB router being removed from the computer, the SDK will detect this and raise an event that the developer can handle in their own code should they wish to do so. We hope you enjoyed our brief overview of Conectric's IoT gateway and sensor product for Node.js. If you'd like more information, please contact us at solutions@conectric.com or visit our website. Thanks for watching.